While much of the attention lately has been on the upcoming Avatar 3, a subtle but significant leak quietly surfaced. In a behind-the-scenes video shared by filmmaker Igor Bogdanov, a drone that looks unlike anything currently on the market briefly appears. Sharp-eyed drone analyst Jasper Ellen spotted it and quickly identified some telling features. This could be an early prototype of DJI's new Neo 2. The drone sports two large, top-mounted batteries and prototype-style white labeling. One of the standout features: a redesigned set of double-stacked propeller guards. That's a major shift from the original Neo, suggesting DJI is approaching this model with a fresh perspective. Industry chatter hints at extended flight times, possibly in the 20 to 25-minute range, while still staying under the 250-gram threshold. On the imaging side, sources indicate the Neo 2 may carry a larger sensor, likely a 1.3-inch CMOS. This would mean improved performance in low-light conditions while keeping the device compact. In terms of flight capabilities, expectations are high for high-powered flight modes and a new transmission system, possibly a streamlined version of O4 and enhanced Wi-Fi setup. Ellens, known for his accurate DJI leaks like the 3S goggles and N3, has stated that the Neo 2 might launch later this year. This has stirred plenty of speculation about how it fits into DJI's broader product range. While the DJI Flip is aimed at casual users looking for portability and simplicity, the Neo 2 seems geared toward enthusiasts wanting advanced features at a mid-range price. The first Neo already proved itself in this category, offering strong performance and solid value. If DJI enhances the Neo 2 with better battery life, a superior camera, and smarter software features like obstacle avoidance and AI-assisted flight, it could be a serious contender for users seeking more functionality without moving up to the premium Mavic line. But DJI's roadmap doesn't stop there. Alongside the Neo 2, rumors are heating up about a Mini 5 series. This would be targeted at entry-level users who want affordability without sacrificing quality. If reports are accurate, both the Neo 2 and Mini 5 could debut around the same time, an unusual move for DJI, which typically staggers its product launches. Whether to upgrade now or wait for the Neo 2 depends on your priorities. The current Neo is already a strong mid-range performer, but for those eager for the newest tech, the wait might be worthwhile. Turning to the Mini 5 Pro, early leaks painted a worrying picture with clunky, cage-like prop guards. However, a new video from Mauro Tendoi shows the drone in action, and the updated design looks much sleeker. Foldable props and improved motors with ventilation suggest a significant performance boost. Even more exciting, Ellens confirmed the release date, August 7, 2025, earlier than previously expected. Key upgrades may include a larger 1-inch image sensor for better low-light results and a robust battery rated at 4680 mAh and 33.5 Wh. That could mean flight times between 50 and 55 minutes, a massive jump from prior models. This leak comes from an official regulatory label tied to FCC certification in the US, meaning the battery and drone specs are legit and not just speculation. With this kind of power, DJI may be about to redefine what's possible in an ultralight drone. Expectations are high for the Mini 5 Pro. Leak footage and insider tips confirm it's real, and it could surpass even DJI's legendary Phantom series in performance. One of the biggest upgrades is the camera. The Mini 5 Pro is said to include a 1-inch sensor offering better dynamic range and sharper visuals. The gimbal design is also new, possibly supporting full 360 rotation, a feature seen in high-end models like the Mavic 4. Obstacle detection gets a boost too, with a new front-facing infrared sensor that can reportedly detect up to 25 meters. Optimized for low-light flying. Larger sensor housings on the drone suggest that DJI has made space for this system without compromising gimbal movement. Other notable upgrades include more powerful motors, better heat management, and quick-release propellers. No more fiddling with tiny screws. The drone remains foldable and light, true to the Mini lineup's DNA. It's expected to come with 32 GB of internal memory, ideal as a fallback when an SD card is unavailable. The flight time on the standard battery could hit 45 minutes, with an optional plus battery pushing that above 50 minutes. It'll use DJI's O4 transmission system for a 20 km range and is expected to work with their C2, RC N3, and DJI goggles 3 or N3. Additional features might include voice controls and in-app audio recording, both aimed at content creators. There may even be a dedicated button for pre-programmed shots perfect for quick captures on the go. The Mini 5 Pro is expected to hit the market in September 2025. Pricing is rumored to start at $850 for the standard package with their RC-into controller and one battery. The Fly More combo, featuring the RC-to-screen controller, could go up to $1,200. That places it nicely between the Mini 4 Pro and the high-end Air 3S. If the 1-inch sensor and rotating gimbal materialize, DJI might have just created the ultimate sub-to 5 OG drone. What kind of shots would you capture with this power in your pocket?